Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here Muhammad Tayyab from Arun Public School and College, Khanewal. Your class is 9th and your subject is physics. Week is 5th online sport program. Today topic is 5 and your subject teacher is Mr. Muhammad Tayyab. Today our topic is major sources of energy and our objective is at the end of the lesson students will be able to understand major sources of energy. And day is 5. First of all, we will discuss our previous topic, interconversion of energy. You know that energy cannot be destroyed, however, it can be converted into some other forms. For example, rub your hand together quickly. You will feel them warm. You have used your muscular energy in rubbing hand. As a result, heat is produced. In the process of rubbing, hand mechanical energy is converted into heat energy. Many other forms, there are many forms that energy that have been, we can see that the energy convert into one form to another. Now we will come back to our today topic, major sources of energy. First major source of energy is fossil fuel. We will discuss about fossil fuel. Fossil fuel are the natural resources such as coal, oil, and natural gas containing hydrocarbons. These fuels are formed in the earth over millions of years and produce carbon dioxide when burned. And you can see that we use fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas to heat our houses and run industry and transport. They are usually hydrocarbon, compound of carbon and hydrogen. When they burn, they combine with oxygen from the air. The carbon become carbon dioxide. Hydro become hydrogen become hydrogen oxide, called the water. For example, carbon plus oxygen. Then we combine carbon dioxide plus heat energy is obtained. Hydrocarbon plus oxygen, when mixed, carbon dioxide plus water plus heat energy is obtained. Fossil fuel took millions of years for their formation. They are known as non-renewable resources. We are using fossil fuel at a very fast rate. Their use is increasing day by day to meet our energy needs. If we continue to use them at present rate, they will soon be exhausted. Once their supply is exhausted, the world would face serious energy crisis. Moreover, fossil fuel release harmful waste products. These waste products, carbon monoxide and other harmful gases, which pollutes the environment. This causes serious health problems such as headache, tension, nausea, allergic reactions, irritations of eyes, nose, and throats. What is fossil fuel? Fossil fuel, you already know that fossil fuel are the different type of energy that are dug up from the earth. Oil is the most popular kind of fossil fuel. People use oil in cars, factories, and to make houses warm. Coal is used in factories to make electricity. Gas is used in kitchens. Fossil fuel can be used only once. They cannot be used, reused. I will share you the animation about the fossil fuel that is more helpful to you for learn.
Fossil fuels. Fossil fuel is a term used to describe a group of energy sources that were formed from ancient plants and organisms during the Carboniferous period, approximately 360 to 286 million years ago, even before the age of dinosaurs. At that time, the land was covered with swamps filled with organisms and plants. As they died, they sank to the bottom of swamps and oceans and over millions of years started decomposing under layers of sand, clay, and other minerals. Different types of fossil fuels formed depending on the combination of organic matter, temperature, time, and pressure conditions while decomposing. There are three major types of fossil fuels: coal, oil, and natural gas. Coal was formed from ferns, plants, and trees, which hardened due to pressure and heat. Oil was formed from small organisms like zooplankton and algae, where pressure caused the more complex organic matter to decompose. Natural gas was formed by the same process as oil, only it was exposed to more heat and pressure, causing it to further decompose and turn into a gaseous form. Fossil fuels are sought after energy sources because they have a high energy density. They are the world's dominant energy source. Fossil fuels have a variety of applications from electricity production to transport fuels. They can also be used to make a variety of common products, from plastics to cosmetics to even some medicines. These resources have powered industrialization over history and continue to do so today. Fossil fuels can be an abundant and cheap, or in some cases, a scarce and expensive form of energy, depending on geographic location. For this reason, geopolitical issues arise due to scarcity caused by the natural geographic allocation.
Next one is nuclear fuels. In nuclear power plants, we get energy as a result of fission reaction. During fission reactions, heavy atoms such as uranium atoms split into two smaller parts, releasing a large amount of energy. Nuclear power plant give out a lot of nuclear radiation and vast amount of heat. A part of this heat is just to run power plant. I will share you the animation about nuclear fuel that is more helpful to you for learn.
Nuclear fuel is a substance that is used in nuclear power stations to produce heat to power turbines. Heat is created when nuclear fuel undergoes nuclear fission. Most nuclear fuels contain heavy fissile elements that are capable of nuclear fission, such as uranium-235 or plutonium-239. When the unstable nuclei of these atoms are hit by a slow-moving neutron, they split, creating two daughter nuclei and two or three more neutrons. These neutrons then go on to split more nuclei. This creates a self-sustaining chain reaction that is controlled in a nuclear reactor, or uncontrolled in a nuclear weapon. The processes involved in mining, refining, purifying, using, and disposing of nuclear fuel are collectively known as a nuclear fuel cycle. Not all types of nuclear fuels create power from nuclear fission. Plutonium-238 and some other elements are used to produce small amounts of nuclear power by radioactive decay in radioisotope thermoelectric generators and other types of atomic batteries. Nuclear fuel has the highest energy density of all practical fuel sources.
Next one is renewable resources. Renewable resources are the natural resources that can be replenished in short period of time. Solar, geothermal, winds, biomass, and waters. Sunlight and water power are the renewable sources of energy. They will not run out like oil and gas. Next one is the animation about the renewable sources.
Renewable energy. Renewable energy is a term used to describe a group of energy technologies derived from sources that do not deplete or that can be replenished within a human's lifetime. The most common renewable energy sources are solar, which harnesses the sun for energy; wind, which utilizes the motion of wind to create electricity; hydropower, which uses moving water to generate power; biomass, which refers to a large group of technologies that use living or recently living organisms and waste to create energy; tidal. Tidal uses the rise and fall of the tides to create electricity; geothermal, which uses the internal heat from the earth for energy. Nuclear energy is not considered a renewable energy source. It is considered an alternative energy source. While renewable energy accounts for a minority share of the world's energy supply, it is also the fastest growing energy supply on the planet. Renewable energy is sought after because it is a clean source of energy, meaning that it does not directly produce greenhouse gas emissions or air pollutants. While renewable energy sources are better for the environment, they also face several challenges, the main ones being low efficiencies, high capital costs, and intermittency. That's renewable energy.
Next is your assignment, learn and write major sources of energy. Thank you.